Hi everyone, it's Katie here from Scrap for Your Life YouTube. I just want to show you a haul I got today from Michael's and the Goodwill, and a small haul from Tuesday morning. And the first thing I got was these decorative birds. They were 60% off, and the discount, I don't think the discount was supposed to be on it, but I had a coupon. It was said 25% discount, so they were originally $4.99 and I got them for $1.50 each. Over here, show you a close-up on them. I think I'm going to use them on like decorative birdhouses. I have a lot in the garage that I collected from garage sales, so I might redo them and put those birds in them. The next thing I got is these decorative spring Easter Ziploc bags, and these are the eggs, and they were originally $1.99 for this one. Yeah, they were all $1.99 and they were 60% off, and I got them for 80 cents a piece. This is the eggs and the spring looking. I can use these for spring. They're not specifically Easter looking, so I'll probably use those on something. And the next thing I got was this decorative wooden bucket. It says Bloom, and that was originally $14.99 and I got 60% off and the coupon for 25% off, and that came out to $4.50 for that. And I'll just be using this to decorate in my house. And then I picked up these 3 packages of Easter and felt. They're foam Easter stickers and felt stickers, and they were $2.99 a piece, and I got 60% off of those, and they came to $1.20. Little cute bunnies in that one, and it says Happy Easter, and these are the felt eggs and little bunnies with their little tail. Okay, and then I got this gingham and lace ribbon, and that was regularly $3.99 and I paid $1.60 after the 60% off. And in their clearance aisle, they had these decorative trims, and those were $1.29 a piece from Celebrate It. I think it's 3 yards on each. That'll be that one and that one. This is a little silver, like eyelash thing, tassel kind of looking. A teal one, a peach one, and another teal. Well, actually it's green. It's not teal. And then I got these decorative eggs. They're glitter styrofoam eggs. There's 8 to a package, and at 60% off, they were regularly $5 and I paid $2 each, and I got 2 of them. And then I got these for my house to decorate with. These galvanized tins. There's a small one and a large one, and this one was regularly $16.99 and this one was regularly $12.99. But when she rang it up, I didn't realize until I got home and I looked at the receipt. She was supposed to give me the 60% off, and then let's see, I paid $5.10 for this, because she also gave me a 25% off, but I paid $5.10 for this, and this one she also rang for $5.10 because she scanned this twice and I didn't notice because I was unloading my basket and I wasn't watching the scanner. So when I go back, I'll take the receipt and see if they'll give me a refund on the difference that they messed up. But I need to watch better and unload the basket and watch. So, okay, and that was all for the Michaels haul. Okay, from the Goodwill, I got this little decorative little mini dresser, and that one was $1.89, and it said as is, but I looked it over and I don't see anything wrong, like it was broken or anything. So I'm going to decoupage this or paint it and use it in my craft room somewhere. It's a cute little box. And then I got this Love chipboard album, and that one was $1.99, and it's from Kaiser Craft. So I'm going to decorate that all up. And I picked up this silver bucket, and that was 79 cents. And I have a decorative cup I picked up for $1.49, and it has a little chip on it, but I didn't care about that because I'll probably cover it up with a project I'm making it out of, but I like the pattern and everything. And then I got this green Easter basket, and that one was $1.49, and I realized they probably had these at the dollar store, but I didn't get them when they had them, and I'm not going back for a while to the dollar store, so I want to pick it up for next year, even though I don't know if they'll have it next year or not. So I thought I'll get it now because I already have something in mind to use it for next Easter. And then I got this little Easter tin, and that was 75 cents. It has a cute little picture of the family bunnies, the mom, the dad, and the little kids on it. And I'll probably decorate with that next Easter also. And then I got 3 books. One of them was a castle book, and that was $2. And I got the castle book because I was looking through it, and I liked some of the old pictures of the castles and things like this. And I thought, if I want to cut that out and use it as a background on something like a scrapbook page or a montage page or a canvas, they have even smaller ones, and then this one across. And just different things, elements that I could use, like something like this. I'd probably cover up the lines somehow, but so I just like the book, so got that. And then I got this music book, and that was $2. And I got this because it has all these notes in it, and I will be tearing this up and using it for collage on projects in my craft room. So I couldn't pass that up for $2 to be able to use that. And the last book was just this all about baby, little baby book. Just so I'm going to be making baby books, so I wanted to have these pages to see if I'm missing anything or anything like that, and that I can add to my books. It's really cute. And that was $1. And then I have a small thing from Tuesday morning. I got these decorative napkins for $1.99, and I might use them on my little box that I bought from the Goodwill. And then I got this little credit card holder for my wallet, mostly to put my cash in because I don't have anything. I carry small purses, so I want something that'll fit, and my phone case doesn't fit the cash. It won't close if it has cash in it, so only the credit cards. So, and that was all I got from the stores today. So if you haven't subscribed to me and you're new, go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you want. And I'm going to post a room tour really soon here. I'm just working on it, editing it right now. So if you want to see that, make sure you click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I put up the videos. And that's all for today. I'll talk to you later. Bye.